Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I'm Egi Smawati with NPM 2341241 from Accounting Class 23A. In this video, I will explain about global markets and business centers. Definition of global markets. Global markets refer to a system of trade involving multiple countries in the exchange of goods, services, and capital. In simple terms, a global market allows companies to go beyond their domestic boundaries and reach customers from different parts of the world. This means businesses are no longer limited to selling products within one country, but they can expand and operate internationally. Global markets are closely related to economic integration, where countries become more interconnected through trade, investment, and cooperation. Technological advancement, especially in the internet and digital platforms, have made communication faster and more efficient. For example, companies can now promote products through social media and e-commerce platforms to reach global consumers instantly. In addition, improvements in transportation systems have reduced the cost and time needed to deliver goods across countries. As a result, companies have greater opportunities to grow and increase their profits. However, they must also be prepared to face stronger competition from international competitors. Characteristics of global markets. Some key characteristics of global markets include high competition, diverse consumers, standardization, and rapid information flow. First, global markets are characterized by intense competition. Companies from different countries compete with each other not only in terms of price but also quality, innovation, and branding. This pushes business to continuously improve their products and services. Second, consumers in global markets are very diverse. They differ in culture, language, lifestyle, and purchasing power. For example, a product that is popular in one country might not be accepted in another due to cultural differences. Therefore, companies must understand their target market carefully. Third, there is a trend towards standardization where companies try to create products that can be adapted globally. However, some level of adaptation is still necessary to meet local needs. Lastly, information flows very quickly in global markets due to digital technology. Consumers can easily access information, compare products, and make purchasing decisions. This forces companies to be more responsive and competitive. Driving factors of global markets. The growth of global markets is driven by technology, free trade, and multinational corporations. One of the most important driving factors is technological advancement. The development of the internet, mobile technology, and digital platforms has made it easier for business to connect with customers around the world. Companies can now operate online stores and reach global markets without needing a physical presence. Another factor is free trade agreements between countries. These agreements reduce trade barriers such as tariff and import restrictions, making it easier for goods and services to move across borders. This encourages more international trade and cooperation. Multinational corporations also play a significant role in global markets. These companies operate in multiple countries and bring investment, technology, and management expertise. They help connect different economics and create global supply chains. Overall, these factors create a more open and interconnected global economy, but they also increase the level of competition. Definition of business centers. Business centers are cities or regions that act as hubs of economic and commercial activities. Business centers are important locations where major economic activities are concentrated. In these areas, we can find headquarters of multinational companies, financial institutions, stock exchange, and various service industries. The centers usually have advanced infrastructure such as modern transportation systems, reliable communication networks, and high-quality business services. This makes it easier for companies to operate efficiently and connect with global markets. In addition, business centers often have access to skilled labor and professional talent, which is essential for business growth. Because of this advantage, many companies choose to establish their office or headquarters in these locations. As a result, business centers play a key role in supporting and facilitating international business activities. Examples of business centers. Some will know global business centers include New York, London, Tokyo, Singapore, and Shanghai. New York is widely recognized as a global financial hub, especially because of Wall Street and major financial institutions. London is known for its strong banking and international trade sectors, making one of the most influential business centers in Europe. Tokyo is a landing center for industry and technology, with many large corporations and advanced innovations. Meanwhile, Singapore has become a major business hub in Asia due to its strategic location, stable economy, and business-friendly environment. Shanghai is also rapidly growing as a global business center, supported by China's economic development and international trade activities. The cities play a crucial role in connecting global markets and facilitating international business operations. Rules and challenges of business centers. Business centers connect markets, attract investment, and drive economic growth, but they also face challenges. One of the main roles of business centers is to connect different countries through trade and investment. They serve as meeting points for business, investors, and financial institutions from around the world. Business centers also attract foreign investment, which contributes to economic growth and job creation. In addition, they promote innovation and technological development by bringing together talent, professionals, and advanced industries. However, there are several challenges that must be faced. Regulatory differences between countries can create difficulties for companies operating internationally. Currency fluctuations can also affect business profitability, especially for companies involved in international trade. Furthermore, competition in global markets is becoming increasingly intense. Companies must be able to adapt quickly, develop strong strategies, and manage risks effectively in order to survive and succeed. Strategies to enter global markets. To succeed in global markets, companies need research, adaptation, technology, and partnership. First, companies must conduct thorough market research to understand the needs, preferences, and behavior of consumers in different countries. This helps them develop appropriate products and marketing strategies. Second, adaptation is very important. Companies need to adjust their products, branding, and marketing approaches to fit local cultures and market conditions. This increases the chance of success in foreign markets. Third, digital technology plays a crucial role in expanding business reach. Through e-commerce platforms, social media, and digital marketing, companies can promote their products globally at a lower cost. Finally, forming partnerships with local business can help companies enter new markets more easily. Local partners have better knowledge of the market, regulations, and consumer behavior, which can reduce risks and improve efficiency. In conclusion, global markets offer significant opportunities for companies to expand their operations and increase their competitiveness. By entering global markets, business can reach a large customer base and achieve higher growth. At the same time, business centers play an essential role in facilitating international trade, investment, and economic development. They act as key hubs that connect different parts of the global economy. However, success in global markets is not easy. Companies must have strong strategies, be adaptable to different environments, and be prepared to face various challenges such as competition, regulation, and economic uncertainty. Therefore, businesses that are able to innovate, adapt, and manage risks effectively will have a greater chance of achieving long-term success in the global business environment. So that's all for me. Thank you for watching and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.